G'day everyone, Craig from the Edge Property Buyers here again. Hope you're well. Just getting a bit of time. We've got a building and pest inspection here in North Brisbane this morning, so we got here a bit early. Thought we'd just cover building and pest inspections. Crucial part of your due diligence. Do your own checks as well when you're inspecting the property, or have your buyer's agent do that for you. Simple things, you know, checking the hot water works, checking that there's if there's something in the power board about pest inspections. Check under the sinks to see if there's water leaks, swelling wood, things like that. You know, really obvious things that you can check and potentially remedy before the building and pest inspection. But spend the $500 or $600 on the inspection. It's crazy if you don't. They will pick up items you will probably never even notice. Get an independent person to do it for you, so they're working on your behalf. I have seen some in New South Wales where they're done by the vendor, and I've seen some pretty average reports. So I would personally want to have an independent person working for you. Queensland's a little bit different timing wise. We do the inspection. We have 7 to 14 days, or it could be longer, to do our due diligence on finance and building and pest, depending on what we put in our offer in the contract. So there's plenty of time there to get the report done, review it, look at any remedies we need to do as part of our negotiations, and get the deal over the line, or potentially pull out based on some of the items that may have occurred or come up in the report. So once again, do your due diligence yourself. Get a building and pest. You're crazy if you don't. It'll save you thousands potentially, and reduce your risk dramatically. So if you don't do it, unless you're a qualified builder or a qualified pest inspector, I think you're absolutely mad. So anyway, any questions, click the link below if you'd like to have a chat. Otherwise, give us a call, 1300 031 273. Our focus is Brisbane. We're buying Brisbane, we're buying the Sunshine Coast, we're buying Moreton Bay. So if you need any help, you'd like to have a chat, give us a call. Happy investing, guys. Bye.